Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to animate an image in Filmora. It's very simple, just follow my steps. So first thing you will need to do is put your video on the timeline, as you can see, then put your image as well. So go over to your Finder and import your image, or just find it here if you already imported it, as I did. Drag it on top of your clip. Now as you can see, my image is here. But what if I want the image to slide in or to zoom scale out? So first thing I will do is go at the beginning of my image, then go over here to animation. Here I have some preset animations such as slide right, slide up, vortex in. I can show you, just double click here. Now you can see how it looks. When I play back my video, my image is animating in. I will press Command Z to bring that back and show you a different way how to do this. And this way is actually more precise, so you can do it however you would like it. Just click on your image, go over to basic right here, and then make sure this lock is locked, and you can decrease your scale, as you can see. So I will decrease all the way to the 0, click right here on this plus diamond icon, and as you can see, this diamond will add up right here. You can move your playhead to different time of the video and increase your scale. That way you will tell Filmora to make this image 0% right here and 70.75% right here. So now anything between is animation, as you can see. Now you can add another keyframe, let's say position. So I will go over back to this keyframe, click on position keyframe right here to add a position keyframe, and now position is 0 in x-axis and 0 in y-axis. I will move in time of the video and adjust my position. So let's say I will drag it to the right and to the bottom. Now as you can see, the animation is zooming in and then dragging the image to the bottom, and also I can always zoom it down a little. So you can really play with this, and thank you guys for watching. This is how you animate an image in Filmora. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.